Hi guys! Okay, so lots of people want to know how to get perfect skin, and of course our products using arganol, that is so amazing for your skin and it's going to give you that glowy dewy look. But beauty is also about what you eat. So you can't forget, it's about a healthy lifestyle. You can't forget that other part about eating healthy, because it doesn't matter what you put on your skin. If you're feeding your body junk, then you're up against it. I personally have a whole foods plant-based diet. I don't like to call myself vegan, because vegan's like, you can be super unhealthy and vegan. And I don't want to restrict myself. If I want to have a chicken burger once a year, I'm going to have a chicken burger. So it's not about restricting yourself, it's just about trying to get more fruit and veg and a plant-based whole foods diet, you know, no fake foods, fake news, there's also fake food. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to eat healthy, and it's delicious. I'm going to make egg-free, raw vegan pancakes, fruit crepes, which taste amazing. In fact, they're more amazing than the original. No sugar, no eggs, no flour, no nastiness. So first we're going to make cashew milk. Cashew milk is fantastic as an alternative to normal milk. And it doesn't have to be like that bitter, bland taste. You can sweeten it up, you can add vanilla. I mean, it's amazing. But okay, we're going to make cashew milk. 1.5 cups of cashews in your blender. That's 1.5 cups, ideally, of soaked cashews in your blender. There you go. 1 cup of water. It's just so super easy, and it's quicker than going to the shops for a pint of milk, and it's a lot more healthy. So then I've got some vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. There you go. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Now you can use anything. You can use honey, maple syrup, anything you want. I just use maple syrup. So that's 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. So that's my cashew milk. And then we're going to go on to the crepe. So what you need for this absolutely to die for squammy crepe, fruit crepe, is coconut meat. That's your base. I buy this. You can buy it from Waitrose, Amazon, Whole Foods, Planet Organic. I get it from the frozen department of Waitrose. Not that expensive. Alternative to meat as well. So you know, this is going to be your base of a lot of recipes. So they come in little pouches, so you don't have to sit there scraping it out of the coconut. So you need 1.5 cups of the coconut milk. Pour it into your blender. Da da da. 3/4 of your cashew milk. So 3/4 of cashew milk. 3/4 of cashew milk. Pour it in like so. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. Again, sweetener of your choice. So, get friendly with this part of your Vitamix, because a lot of the recipes need you to bash it down, you know, make sure it's all blended. Here we go. Should be not like a pancake mix. It should be a little bit runny. So now, you get your Teflon sheet. You need one of these. This is your essential tool. So you're spreading it into a nice circle, as if you were a normal pancake. Then pop it in the dehydrator for 2 hours. Then we're going to flip it, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a bit. So we're going to pop this into the dehydrator. Give it a shake. And it just evens it out. And here you have the perfect clip. Okay, there you go. There's the crepe. I'm just going to put this into the dehydrator like so. Let me lift that one up a bit. So that goes in there. That goes in there. Put it on. I put it on at 155. Just over 2 hours because I'm allowing time for it to warm up. That's it. It's quick. People say raw vegan food is like, oh, it takes too much time. Okay, preparing, put it in, forget about it. 2 hours, go and live your life. Okay, so now, slowly, carefully, we're going to peel it off, and we need to flip it. There you go, that is the perfect pancake. Now, the easiest way to flip it, get another one of the trays and the Teflon sheets. You need these Teflon sheets, by the way. Right. Flip it. Slowly peel it off. There you go. Put that back in the dehydrator for 2 hours. So I'm just going to pop it in the dehydrator. That goes on for 2 hours. So there's my crepe. That's done. We're just going to fill it with some fruit. So I've got the mango, raspberries, strawberries, blueberries. And then you're just going to fold it over. So we're just going to fold over. Okay, presentation is not quite there on this, but there's my crepe. Just going to garnish with some fresh mint. Put a dollop of cashew sweet cream. So this is cashew nuts, maple syrup, vanilla extract, and water. Nice and sweet. We're just going to put a dollop of that on. So now I'm going to make a chocolate sauce to go with it. You can just present it like that. If you've got kids, or if you've got a sweet tooth like me, chocolate sauce is a winner. Okay, so I'm just going to put in half a cup of cashew milk. Half a cup of cashew milk. You can use almond milk, whatever. Then I'm going to put in a pinch of salt. 1 cup of cocoa. 1 cup of cocoa going in. Da, 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 like so. Okay, and then splash of vanilla. A bit more, it's quite strong. And then half a cup and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Pour that in. We're just going to drizzle it. Put some cocoa bits over it. So here's with the taster. That is amazing. That is amazing, if I may say so myself. One more, just to be sure. Amazing.